Zimbabwe's political landscape is heating up as a growing number of indigenous church leaders call for Vice President Constantino Chiwenga to be announced as the ruling party's presidential candidate for 2028. According to sources, over 30 church leaders who requested anonymity due to fear of political persecution are urging President Mnangagwa to endorse Chiwenga at the upcoming 2027 ZANU-PF Congress, saying the Vice President is God's chosen leader to take the nation forward. Among them, only Pastor Isaac Magomich, a 30-year-old cleric from Masvingo, was publicly declared his support for Chiwenga's candidacy. VP Chiwenga will make a good president, Magomich said, standing firmly behind the former army general's leadership potential. Tipinda panapa pa a post yana Magomich amudanyira chiti vanoposta VP Constantino Chiwenga mburukono kudanyira chiti his name is VP Chiwenga. Many people insult him, but he does not insult anyone. He does not send people to insult his opponents. If you insult or criticize him, you will not face any threats or harm. He has no record of corruption. He listens with the intention of solving the problem. He doesn't go after the whistleblower. He tolerates constructive criticism. His signature mark is equality, humble, and dignity. Show me a 2028 clean CV which is better than this one. Ndio mashoko mdanyo kwa nama komichi atukona kuti aiwa they are supporting VP Constantino Chiwenga vachiva insolidarity naye vachimuti aiwa mukomana uyo haataki vanhu. Panguva ino anochiwidhosa achiti VP Constantino Chiwenga is the right one, is the right candidate for 2028. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko chipinda comment section yedu kuti mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.